Hi there, I'm Jack and this is Drew, and today we're working on a simple but fun project that you can do at home with kids. And even better, it'll teach them the fundamental skills they need to make lots of other projects. Isn't that right?
Yep, that's right. We're building a box.
It's simple, but there's so many uses for a box like this.
So what do we do first?
Okay, so first we're going to cut all the pieces that will make up our box. Let's do that one together.
Okay. So
take the tape measure and you're going to mark a mark at 4 inches. Go for it. Good. Now, anytime we mark something, you want to mark an X on the side that we're not going to use, or the waste side. Good, so which side? That's right. Good.
Now do we saw?
Not quite yet. First, we need to extend our line all the way across our board. So let's use the speed square. And you're going to put one edge on the edge of the board and slide it all the way across. And now we have a straight line. Good. Measuring and marking is the key to every woodworking project.
Okay, now do we saw?
Now we saw. Okay, do you have your safety glasses? Go ahead and put them on. I'm going to do the same thing. All right, always, always, always safety first. Okay, so we want to make sure our area is clear. We want to make sure that we don't have any loose fitting clothing. So roll your sleeves up. If we had any long hair, we'd want to put that up. All right. And most importantly, we want to make sure our fingers are out of the way. Okay, I'm going to clamp the board down and you're going to saw. You want to start by moving the blade back and forth, Drew, and you want to get a little starter cut going. And you want to keep it about 45 degrees like that. Okay? Okay. So I'm going to help you get started. Good. You got it? Mm-hmm. All right, I'm going to get my hands out of the way. Good. That's good. And you're making a little groove for the blade to sit in. And now back and forth. Good. That's good. Almost there. I know it's hard work. A few more pulls. And nice. Good job, but don't rest yet. We have 3 more boards to cut. All 4 pieces are cut. So let's build the box. Now, do you remember how I showed you?
Yeah, I think.
Okay. I'll help you if you need it.
Okay, so squeeze out this glue
Yes.
and use my finger to spread it along this long edge here.
Yes.
And then I can push these 2 pieces together.
Yep.
And check to see if it's square.
Good. How do you do
using
that?
the corner of this.
Okay.
Speed square. Do we clamp next?
Yes.
All right.
Once it's all square, I'll hold it and you can clamp it.
Okay.
Okay, now we're going to let the glue dry, and then it's time for
the mighty hammer.
Mighty hammer. Let's practice on this scrap piece of wood, okay?
Okay.
And you're going to start by lightly tapping the top of the nail. Now, move your fingers, and you can really start to hit it. Good. Good practice. Let's do it for real. Good. So now use the nail set. Go ahead. Good job. You want to do the next one?
Yeah, that's down there. All right.
All right, now we have to sand. All right. Sanding makes the wood smoother, and it gets rid of any rough edges and prevents splinters. So we want to start with a rougher grit sandpaper and long, smooth strokes. We can work our way up to a finer and finer sandpaper as we go. And we're done sanding. Now what you do with it now, Drew, is up to you. You could paint it or stain it.
Or we could make something else that's like made with a block shape.
Definitely. We learned a lot of good fundamental skills here today. We learned how to keep things square, measuring and marking, how to use a handsaw, and hammering. All great skills to have.
Oh, what about sanding?
And sanding. We learned sanding as well.
So what are we going to make next?
How do you feel about a log cabin?
Log cabin? Pretty much just a box with a roof on it, right?
That's right. Maybe we'll work our way up to that. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope you have a great time building things together, like we did.
See you next time.
Bye. Good job.
Thank you.
Did you learn something?
Yeah.